Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're using the Trip.com app on your Android phone and want to change your password for security or personal reasons, this video is for you. In just a few easy steps, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Trip.com password quickly and safely. First, open the Trip.com app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the Account section. Next, tap the Settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Manage My Account. Now select Reset Password. Now click on Password. You will be asked to enter your current password, followed by your new password. After entering the details, tap on Submit to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your password is now updated. Thanks for watching. Changing your Trip.com password helps keep your account secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials every week.